Meta's Horizon Worlds Metaverse app still too buggy to be used. Executives are already slamming Horizon Worlds as well as the functionality of the platform's primary virtual world application, which is hindering Meta's efforts to promote the metaverse. The site's imperfections were brought up by Vishal Shah, VP of Metaverse at Meta, as reported by The Verge. Meta's executive acknowledges Horizon Worlds buggy. The executives described the current platform flaws they have found. In a quality lockdown phase approach that will continue through the remainder of the year, they proposed eliminating bugs. According to Shah, the key goal of this step is to make sure that the issue raised has been fully resolved in terms of quality and functionality before granting access to new people or users so that they may enjoy improved performance. The primary purpose of the Horizon Worlds app is to attract users to buy the Meta Quest brand of VR headsets, which is presently the only means through which these worlds can be explored. Without providing any other details on the project, the company mentioned launching the platform. Employee love is lacking. The concept of the virtual world and the significance it will have in the future, in Mark's opinion, are crucial for the company's development. Due to Reality Labs, Meta's section responsible for the metaverse, performing poorly, the company claimed having lost $2.8 billion in the month of July. Shah agrees that this idea is compelling and important. He said in the memorandum that since its late-year debut, Horizon Worlds, a synchronized social media platform where artists may create captivating worlds, has shown to have a solid central concept. Furthermore, as of the publishing of this message on September 15, corporate personnel were deliberately eschewing using the site. The scenario was reinforced in an immediate remedial message issued on September 30th, in which Shah hinted at the creation of access quotas for staff members to Horizon Worlds. Shah made an effort to win over the staff by urging them to make it their objective to become infatuated with Horizon Worlds. You need to use it to do that. Enter that. Set aside periods to do this with friends or coworkers. Let us know what your thoughts are in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video. To watch more videos like this one, please consider subscribing, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.